Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your phone via the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Jaguar I PACE. Easy enough. All we need to do, we go to music, we're playing a record here, but at the bottom there you'll see the car symbol. If I click on that, it's showing if there's a tick next to iPhone, the music will play through the iPhone, but we want the tick next to Jaguar I PACE. So that's it. Go back to the record. We'll click play. Now over to the system. Nothing's playing at the moment, but you see there the musical note and the clapperboard. We click on that.
George said Pat was really nice to him
So that's just playing the radio at the moment. We don't want that. It's on radio. Now what you have to do in order to play any sound from here, whether it be Spotify, YouTube, Amazon Prime Music, whatever, we click on the source button. And there you go, Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. That's it, playing music from the phone. Easy as that.